ሰው በዓመት አንዳንድ ለውጥ አለ።
People make changes every 20 years. When you're 20 years, another 40, at 60, at 80, you make some change.
እያደገ እየበሰለ ይሄዳል እግዚአብሔር እስከሰጠው ድረስ
Every change is more towards maturity, and it's all blessed by God.
So, ባህሪውን ለማስተካከል ብርቱካን አሁን ብርቱካን ነው ሌላ ነገር አለ እሬት ደግሞ እሬት ነው የሚያፈራው በምንም አይነት ብርቱካን ማፍራት ይችላል
You know, as you grow up, right, you will become what your parents put you as a seed. For instance, what he said is, an orange can only give you orange juice. If it is something bitter, you can't take orange juice out of it. You can't take oranges out of a lime. So the same thing, when you grow up, if you are told to behave, if you are told to do this and to do that, when you grow up, you will have it. You will, like the orange juice. You know, it will have orange juice, and because it's orange, the same thing to you. When you grow up. So the choice is up to you. You can either be an orange, or you can either be the bitter fruit, right?
ከልጅነት ጀምሮ በልጅነት ጸባይ መልካም ሆነ እንደሆነ ወደፊት ለኑሮ ደግሞ የተመቸ ይሆናል ለራሱ ለቤተሰቡ ለሀገሩ በሶስት ደረጃ ይከፋል እየሰፋ ነው የሚሄደው መጀመሪያ ለራሱ አንደኛ ጦርነትን ጾም ማክበርን ዲሲፕሊን መያዝን ንጽህና ደግሞ ትልቅ ነገር ከሁሉ ንጽህና
There are certain traits you should have, even though people change every 20 years. There are certain traits that does not change throughout your life. For instance, cleanliness, truthfulness, thinking clearly, respecting your family, respecting your neighbors. These are the traits that will never change, whether you are 17, 18, 20, 40, 50, 60. And he emphasized mainly nitsena, meaning cleanliness. You have to be clean whether you're old or young or whatever. It stays with you. There's no way you would be bad older man if you have all these traits, if you have all these good things. There's no way you can change at the end of your when you are 40, when you're 50, when you're 60. You can't be bad because all you have is you grew up straight. All you have is a lot of good things in you, and for you will have enough defense in you to fight bad things because you know a lot of good things as you grew up. You know, life, when you grow up, it has a lot of ups and downs. There is obstacle, you could be down, you will be disappointed, you would be happy, you will be rewarded, you will fail, you will be dumped, and you will be loved. Okay, life is full of up and downs, but because you have a lot of moral, you have a lot of good thinking, you will overcome this. You will not happily overjoy your happiness. You will not be depressed because of the little obstacles you have every now and then. And throughout all this, there is education. Life is an education. Going to school is an education. But one thing you have to remember is you're going to school not for your daddy, your mommy, you're going to school for yourself. You learn for yourself.
ለራስህ ነው።
If you
ግን ራስን ስትደሰት ቤተሰብህን ነው የሚጀምረው። እንደገና ደግሞ ሀገርህን ደግሞ እንደገና ጠባቂ
when you are knowledgeable, when you are happy, when you know a lot, when you follow orders from your parents and what have you, eventually it's going to be very good for you. And when it's good for you, your parents will feel good, your relatives will feel good. If you're good, everybody will be good. Right?
እና ከሁሉ በፊት ደግሞ በጣም ማስጠነቅቃችሁ በጣም ከባድ ምንም ሰው ክፉ ቢያደርግባችሁ እናንተ ክፉ ለመስራት መልሱ እንዲያስሩ መጠንቀቅ አለባችሁ። ይቅርታ ሰው መሆን አለባችሁ።
He is giving you a lot of warnings. He's telling you, however bad another person is doing it to you, however malicious and bad he's thinking or he's hurting you, don't get back at this guy on the same level. You should be full of remorse. You should be full of forgiveness. Right? You should. He says, be very careful to forgive people. There's a lot of bad things out there. Don't react the same way.
በምንም አይነት ይመያዝ ነቀርሳ በጣም መጥፎ ነገር ለስጋም ለህይወትም
What he's saying is, when you forgive, it should be from your heart. I don't think you should score bad things in your heart and say, he did this to me, therefore I'll get back to you. That will hurt you eventually. And when you forgive, you're forgiven it 100%. Don't hold on to say, he did that to me or something like that. You know what I'm saying?
Don't take a revenge, that's what.
ሁልጊዜ አነጋገራችሁ በእውነት ላይ የተመሰረተ ነው።
Always seek for truth and speak the truth and speak with facts.
በምንም አይነት ውሸት አትቀላቅሉ።
Don't lie. Don't lie. It will hurt yourself.
ቢጎዳችሁም ለምሳሌ
Even if you're hurt. Yeah.
ተጎዳ አንተ እውነት ብቻ ተናገር።
Even if it hurts you, even if it's not at that moment, it's not advantageous to you. All right? Speaking the truth and talking the truth may not be advantageous for you in that circumstance, in that right moment, but stay with the truth. Don't lie at all.
እንዳትነቀሉ ሁልጊዜ ከእውነት ጋር ነው።
Truthfulness is a principle you should follow.
ከእውነት ጋር ነው።
Always you should follow truthfulness.
እና ከዚህ ላይ ሊጠበቅባችሁ ደግሞ እግዚአብሔርን መፍራት ያስፈልጋል። አንድ መጀመሪያ
You always have to, to respect God.
ሁለተኛ ደግሞ ሰውን እንዳንተ ተፈጠረ ሰው እንደሆነ ማክበር ያስፈልጋል።
The fear of God should be in you, and God created the human race, so you need to respect every human being, regardless of his color or regardless of his origins and what happened. If my wife was here, I would have told you. I asked her when I married my wife. I asked her one promise.
ማንኛውም ሰው ድሃ ቢሆን ለማኝ ቢሆን ማጣ ቢሆን በራሳችን መጥቶ ከለምነ መጥቶ ከኛ ጋር ይባላና ይሄን ቃል ግቢ ብዬ ጠይቋል።
I told her, I want you to promise me that if anybody, whether he has leprosy, whether he's poor, whether he's unclean or clean, if he is begging in front of our house during lunchtime, he should come and eat with us. And you have to promise me. And she did accept that promise. And I'm a witness. We used to eat with a lot of beggars for lunch.
ይሄንን
Right?
ልጆች እስካይወልዱ ድረስ ጠበቀችው። ልጆች እስካልወለዱ ድረስ ጠበቀችው።
She respected this promise until she did not give birth.
በኋላ ፊልጶስና ማርታ ደግሞ እንዲያስወስዱ እንደሆነ አንድ ቀን ቁጭ ብለን ስንበላ አንድ ቆማጣ ነበር።
One day when we were all eating together at lunch, was Martha was there, Elsu was there, and I was there, and with Mama and Baba were eating lunch. There comes a guy with a lot of leprosy in him. He was sitting at lunch with us.
አሁን ይገባል አይገባል
There was a big fight between.
እነሱ ተቃውሞ
There was a big fight between us. Are you gonna eat this in front of my kids? Is he in? Is he out? Is he in? He should eat. He said, no way, not in front of my kids.
አሰብኩና ከዛ በኋላ በልሽ ውጭ ወንበር ይጣላትና ከዚህኛ ከኛ ጋር እንጀራ ከወጡ አንድ ያሳቅ ወቻን ያችን እዛ በራፍ ላይ